Gather around, my friends, for I have a story to tell. A story of a man who ran from God, a storm that raged, and a great fish that swallowed a man whole. But wait, this is not just any story. It is a lesson of obedience, second chances, and the boundless mercy of God. Jonah was a prophet chosen by God to deliver his message. One day, God spoke to Jonah and said, "Go to Nineveh, that great city, and tell them to turn from their wicked ways." But Jonah did not like this command. Nineveh was a city full of sinners. Why should they get a chance to be forgiven? Jonah thought to himself, if I don't go, maybe God will punish them instead. And so, instead of obeying, Jonah ran. He boarded a ship bound for Tarshish, the farthest place he could think of, far away from Nineveh and far away from God's command. But can anyone run from God? No. As the ship sailed into the sea, God sent a mighty storm. The waves crashed, the wind howled, and the sailors feared for their lives. They prayed to their gods, but the storm only grew stronger. Finally, they found Jonah sleeping below the deck. They shook him awake. "Who are you, and why is this storm upon us?" they cried. Jonah knew the truth. "It is because of me," he admitted. "I am running from the Lord." The sailors did not want to harm Jonah, but the storm was fierce. So at his request, they threw him into the sea. At once, the storm ceased and the waters became calm. But Jonah did not drown. No, God had prepared a great fish, a giant creature from the deep, and it swallowed Jonah whole. For 3 days and 3 nights, Jonah was in the belly of the fish. There in the darkness, he prayed, "Lord, I was wrong. You alone are merciful. I will obey you." And God, full of grace, commanded the fish to spit Jonah onto dry land. This time Jonah obeyed. He went to Nineveh and declared, "In 40 days this city will be destroyed if you do not repent." And to his surprise, the people listened. From the king to the poorest beggar, everyone repented. They fasted, prayed, and turned from their evil ways. Seeing their sincere hearts, God had mercy. He did not destroy the city. But Jonah was angry. "Why, Lord? They deserved punishment." And God gently answered, "Jonah, do you care more about your own anger than about these people? Should I not show mercy to those who turn back to me?" Oh, my friends, how often do we, like Jonah, run from God's plans? How often do we think some people don't deserve a second chance? But God is not just a God of justice. He is a God of mercy. He desires that all turn to Him, no matter who they are or what they have done. And so the story of Jonah is not just about a runaway prophet or a giant fish. It is a reminder that God's love is greater than our failures and His mercy is wider than we can imagine. Now tell me, dear listeners, when God calls, will you run or will you obey?